It's fall in Truckee, and there's no better time to enjoy the autumn colors and do a little fly fishing. Today, I'm going to share a few tips about making your time on the river and in town all the better. Start your day off right with a coffee from one of our local roasters. Today, I'm stopping in one of my favorites, Drink Coffee Do Stuff. As the name suggests, getting a cup and getting out there is what it's all about. A couple doors down is the fly shop, Trout Creek Outfitters. We created this with the vision to become the fly fishing hub of the region, where guides meet before heading out with guests and where you can always get tips on what's working. Let's get after it. Today I'm checking out a new access point right in town, not far from the shop, through Delbayumaway Park. The fall colors are popping and the river's looking clear and a little low. I'm focusing on deeper pockets where the fish like to hold. I've got my 10-foot 4-weight rigged for indicator fishing. A Pat's rubber legs about 4 feet below the indicator, trailed by a small midge. This is a classic for the Truckee River. No luck here today. The bright sun and clear water are making things a little tricky. The river runs right through town with easy access all the way to Reno. Short drive downriver, I find a stretch that looks promising, and the fish are quick to take my flies. Fall is my favorite time of year for fly fishing. The temps are comfortable, the scenery stunning, and the chances of running into a trophy-sized fish are greater. As I head back into town, I meet up with friends at Alibi for a bite to eat. We're inside today, but in summer, their patio can't be beat. What a great day. It started off with coffee from a local roaster, hit a couple spots on the river, caught some fish, and met up with friends. I hope you enjoyed coming along and maybe even learned a thing or two.